season finale for Scott Leffler and company, and well, she wasn't the only one. Temps around freezing the entire game. Second quarter, Falcons down 7 at the Ohio 14. Matt McDonald over the middle to his old high school teammate Austin Osborne makes the grab. Game tied at 10. Osborne 8 catches, 79 yards. Let's go to the third quarter. Bobcats punting. Jonah Whelan fumbles the snap, recovers, but J.B. Brown wraps him up. Falcons ball at the Ohio 28 leads to a Nate Needham field goal and a 13-10 lead. Fourth quarter now, still a 3-point game. Falcons 4th and goal from the 1, going for it. Nick Mosley stops, so Ohio takes over deep in their own territory. After a false start, Bobcats in the shotgun. Armani Rogers running it. Carl Brooks and a flock of Falcons haul him down in the end zone for the safety. 15-10 BG in front. Ensuing drive, Falcons 3rd and 6. McDonald can't find an open receiver. Takes off, gets the first down, leads to Needham's 3rd field goal and an 8-point lead. Next possession, Ohio in BG territory. Nathan Rourke picked off by Northview's Trent Sims. Seals the victory. Needham adds a 4th field goal, 21-10 the final, as the Falcons take a little momentum into the offseason.
Great feeling. Winning is a lot more fun. It was great to end the season on a win and have some momentum rolling into the offseason.
Yes, this was very important. They proved that they had some pride, and that was encouraging. Now we just need to shine the stones and get rid of the jagged edges that we have. I'm excited. I like our kids. We got holes that we got to fix, and we're going to do that in recruiting. But I hate to say 4-8 because that's not anywhere near what we expect around here. But we're on course, and I knew it was going to be a painful process, but we're on course.
The games we definitely should have won. Those games are definitely going to stick out. Just a couple plays, we not executing and we lost. So we're going to work this offseason, try to eliminate those plays and try to be better.
This team is building on offense, defense, special teams. We're all a tight-knit group. And, I think that's going to be something that's growing, and that's going to allow this foundation to be built on offense and defense, and as special teams is making a team, and I think that's just going to keep improving, honestly.